Do you want to lose weight faster, without starving, running miles, or counting calories all day? These smoothies do the heavy lifting for you by keeping you full, energized, and burning fat from the inside out. In today's video, you're going to discover 10 powerful science-backed smoothies that make weight loss feel simple, natural, and actually enjoyable. These smoothies are designed to crush cravings, boost metabolism, and keep you satisfied for hours. If you stick around, I'll also show you which smoothie to use at what time of day to get the fastest results. Let's get started. Number 1. Berry Smoothie. This smoothie tastes like a dessert, but it works like a fat-burning machine. If you want to reduce belly fat, berries are your best friend. Hundreds of studies confirm that berries help lower inflammation, improve blood sugar, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. You'll need frozen mixed berries, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and water or unsweetened almond milk. Berries are packed with antioxidants that help your cells burn fat for energy. Greek yogurt adds high-quality protein to keep you full and support your metabolism throughout the day. The chia seeds absorb liquid and expand inside your stomach, which helps fight cravings and reduce overeating, especially late at night. To make it, add 1 cup of mixed berries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of liquid. Blend and enjoy. The texture becomes thick and creamy like a milkshake but without the sugar crash. This smoothie is perfect in the morning or as a snack when you want something sweet that won't ruin your progress. Number 2. The Green Smoothie. This smoothie is like giving your metabolism a morning wake-up slap. It's packed with ingredients that work together to shrink bloating, fuel your cells, and keep your stomach full without adding hundreds of calories. If you've ever woken up feeling heavy or sluggish, this blend helps your body push the reset button. You'll need spinach, cucumber, green apple, lemon juice, ginger, and cold water. Spinach is low in calories but loaded with nutrients that help control hunger. Cucumber adds hydration and volume without weight, making you feel fuller even though you're drinking almost no calories. The green apple brings natural sweetness and fiber to help slow digestion, so your stomach isn't growling an hour later. Here's how you make it. 1 cup of spinach, half a cucumber, half a green apple, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, juice of half a lemon, and 1 cup of cold water. Blend everything until smooth. Ginger helps fight inflammation, lemon brightens the flavor, and together they help your stomach feel lighter. This smoothie keeps calories low while keeping nutrition high, the perfect start to a weight loss day. Number 3. Pineapple Smoothie. If your stomach feels bloated all the time, this smoothie will feel like relief in a glass. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps break down food and ease digestion. When your digestion improves, your body gets much better at using stored fat for energy. You'll need pineapple chunks, banana, turmeric, black pepper, and coconut water. The pineapple brings sweetness and digestive power. A small piece of banana adds creaminess without spiking blood sugar too much. Turmeric reduces inflammation, and adding a pinch of black pepper helps your body actually absorb it. Coconut water hydrates your body and gives you electrolytes, which many people lack when trying to lose weight. Use 1 cup of pineapple, half a small banana, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of pepper, and 1 cup of coconut water. Blend until smooth. This smoothie helps flatten your stomach, improve digestion, and reduce that heavy, uncomfortable feeling that can shut down your motivation. Number 4. Avocado Smoothie. This is the smoothie that keeps you full for hours. If you're someone who gets hungry quickly or always feels like snacking, this one is a game changer. Avocado has healthy fats that help control hunger hormones, making it much easier to eat less without feeling miserable. You'll need half an avocado, spinach, lime juice, fresh mint, and unsweetened almond milk. The avocado makes the smoothie creamy and rich without adding sugar. Spinach boosts nutrients without adding calories. The lime and mint give it a refreshing flavor that feels like something you'd drink on vacation. And because the ingredients digest slowly, your energy stays steady for hours. Blend half an avocado, 1 handful of spinach, juice of half a lime, 5 to 6 mint leaves, and 1 cup of almond milk. This smoothie tastes luxurious, but it's designed to help you burn fat, not gain it. It's perfect for breakfast or lunch when you want something filling but still light. Number 5. Cinnamon smoothie. Unstable blood sugar is one of the biggest reasons people struggle with weight loss. When your blood sugar jumps up and crashes down, your body stores more fat and your cravings get completely out of control. This smoothie helps stop that cycle. You'll need rolled oats, cinnamon, banana, flax seeds, and water or almond milk. Oats are a slow-digesting carbohydrate that helps keep your blood sugar stable. Cinnamon helps your body use insulin more effectively. Flax seeds add omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation and help shrink belly fat. And the banana adds natural sweetness, so you don't need sugar. Here's how you make it. 1/3 cup of oats, half a banana, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and 1 cup of liquid. Blend until smooth. This smoothie is especially good in the morning because it keeps your hunger and cravings under control all day. If you're someone who battles sweet cravings, this one will help you win. Number 6. Matcha smoothie. If you need energy without relying on sugary coffee drinks or energy drinks, this smoothie delivers. Matcha contains a unique type of caffeine that gives you focus and energy without the crash. It also contains a compound called EGCG, which is known for boosting metabolism and helping your body burn fat. You'll need matcha powder, banana, spinach, and unsweetened almond milk. The matcha gives a natural energy boost. The banana adds creaminess and a touch of sweetness. Spinach boosts vitamins and helps reduce cravings. Everything works together to give you stable energy and fat-burning power. Blend 1 teaspoon of matcha, half a banana, 1 handful of spinach, and 1 cup of almond milk. This smoothie is perfect before a workout or during busy mornings when you need mental focus. Because of the slow-release caffeine, it helps you burn more calories throughout the day. Number 7. High-protein chocolate smoothie. Cravings are the one thing that can ruin weight loss faster than anything else. But instead of fighting cravings with willpower, you can outsmart them. This smoothie tastes like a chocolate milkshake, but it's high in protein, low in sugar, and designed to keep you full, satisfied, and on track. You'll need unsweetened cocoa powder, protein powder, frozen banana, and almond milk. Cocoa powder helps lower inflammation. Protein powder supports metabolism. And the banana adds sweetness without going overboard. This smoothie helps prevent late-night snacking, which is when most people ruin their progress without realizing it. Blend 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 scoop of protein powder, half a frozen banana, and 1 cup of almond milk. This is the smoothie you turn to when you're stressed, tired, or craving something sweet. It satisfies the craving while actually supporting fat loss instead of blocking it. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar smoothie. This smoothie is perfect for anyone who struggles with water retention, bloating, or slow digestion. Apple cider vinegar has been shown in multiple studies to help lower blood sugar, control appetite, and support fat burning, especially around the belly. When you mix it with the right ingredients, it becomes a powerful metabolic reset instead of a harsh-tasting drink. You'll need apple cider vinegar, green apple, cinnamon, a small piece of ginger, and cold water. The green apple adds fiber and a crisp sweetness that balances the sharp taste of the vinegar. Cinnamon works together with ACV to stabilize blood sugar, which is one of the biggest keys to losing weight without feeling hungry every 2 hours. Ginger stimulates digestion, helping your stomach feel lighter within minutes. Blend 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a green apple, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and 1 cup of cold water. This smoothie is refreshing, energizing, and helps your body flush out excess water and waste, especially first thing in the morning. Drink this before breakfast and you'll feel the difference by midday. Number 9. Mango Smoothie. If you want something tropical while still keeping calories under control, this smoothie hits the sweet spot. Mango gives you vitamins A and C, helps brighten your skin, and boosts your immune system, while the high-protein base helps kickstart your metabolism from the moment you drink it. It tastes like something you'd order on vacation, but it's actually designed to help you lose weight. You'll need frozen mango, vanilla protein powder, Greek yogurt, and water or almond milk. The mango gives natural sweetness without the need for added sugar. The protein powder keeps you full and prevents overeating later in the day. Greek yogurt adds extra protein and probiotics, which improve digestion and help your body absorb nutrients better, a key part of burning fat efficiently. Blend 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of liquid. The result is a creamy tropical smoothie that feels indulgent but stays low in calories. It's perfect after a workout or anytime you need a filling, refreshing meal that supports weight loss instead of slowing it down. Number 10. Carrot Orange Smoothie. This smoothie is packed with vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, and ingredients that help reduce inflammation, which is one of the biggest hidden reasons why your body holds onto fat. When inflammation drops, your metabolism runs smoother, digestion improves, and your body becomes much more willing to burn stored fat for energy. You'll need carrots, fresh orange, turmeric, a small piece of ginger, and water. Carrots are naturally sweet, low in calories, and loaded with beta-carotene, which supports eye health and skin glow. Orange gives a bright citrus flavor while adding vitamin C that helps your body convert fat into energy more efficiently. Turmeric and ginger work together to reduce inflammation and help your stomach feel clean and light. Blend 1 medium carrot, 1 peeled orange, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a small piece of ginger, and 1 cup of water. The flavor is bright, sweet, and refreshing, almost like a healthy version of an orange creamsicle. This smoothie is perfect during the afternoon slump when you crave something sweet but don't want to ruin your progress. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.